Fireplace logs not burning evenly can totally kill the cozy vibe you're aiming for on those chilly nights. So, the first thing you want to do is stack your logs in a way that lets air flow easily around them. Don't just pile them up all haphazardly. Start with some kindling underneath because it lights faster and helps get the bigger logs going. Make sure your logs are dry. Wet wood just smokes and barely catches fire. If you can, use hardwood like oak or maple since they burn longer and more evenly than softwoods. Also, try splitting larger logs to smaller pieces so they catch fire more consistently. Keep an eye on the fireplace damper. It should be open enough to allow good airflow, but not too wide or you'll lose all the heat. Stir the logs a bit once in a while to keep the fire going steady. And don't forget to clean out old ashes regularly because too much buildup can choke your fire. One of the biggest mistakes with uneven fireplace log burning is stacking logs too tightly, which blocks airflow. Fix this by spacing logs so air can circulate freely. Another common issue is using green or wet wood, which causes smoldering and lots of smoke. Always choose properly seasoned wood for a clean burn. Lastly, people often leave the damper closed or mostly shut, starving the fire of oxygen. Make sure it is wide open while the fire is burning to keep flames lively and heat even. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with fireplaces and home projects. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with real clients looking for skilled pros, helping them grow their business without the hassle.